So you've been hanging around on my site and you found a shoe that you really like, and now you're starting to wonder, well, what size am I in Bohemian size? Well, folks, we all know that major manufacturers vary greatly amongst sizes. In one manufacturer you could be an 8, but another manufacturer you could be a 9.5 or a 10. Well, let me tell you how I've come to solve that problem. That's using the Brannock device. This device is in every shoe store across the country. If you give me 2 numbers off of this device, I'll be able to honestly answer you, what size are you in Bohemian size? So here's our Brannock device on my workbench. Now the black area on the flat part of the tool is for men and the red part is for women. Over here on our width slider, it's going to be black for all sizes, but we're going to interpret it red for women and black for men. All you're going to do is look down, you're going to get your length number, and then you're going to slide this tool in and we're going to get your width number. And this part here for the arch length we do not use. So we'll go ahead and skip this part of the tool. Looking directly down at the toe, I can move my roller in to make this easy, and we can clearly see he is an 8 1/2. So we've removed the foot from the tool to make it easier to read. We can see he's an 8 1/2. We're going to take this 8 1/2, and because it's a male, we're going to go down to the black area, and we see clearly that at 8 1/2, at this width, he is a D. So that's what I need, folks. 8 1/2 D width. So what if I plan on wearing orthotics or athletic insole inserts? I should probably order a larger size. No, folks, the shoes are designed for that. So please order your correct size. Well, what about if I want to wear like Viking leg wraps or Winnegas? The answer is just order your size. I've already planned for that too. What if I want to wear thick wool now-bound socks with my period persona? And the answer to that is, tell me that you're going to do that and I'll help you find the right size. Chances are we are going to go up a bit. So those are the choices you have. Always give me what you read off the tool and don't hedge for any reason. Just tell me the reason and give me the correct size. So that was very quick and very simple. Now we have other choices. We can do measurements and tracings, and I have a video for that on my blog, so you can check that out. Also, when we talk about this, if you have a very narrow heel, or you're wide, or you have bunions, or if you have other kinds of foot issues like plantar fasciitis, let me know and I'll be able to tell you a little bit about each shoe. Now, I do make all my shoes a little different than a standard size for everything, because I wanted to cover as many bases as I can for you, so that there's got to be a shoe in my catalog that's going to work for your foot. So thanks a lot for checking me out. Thanks a lot for having a look at this video, and I hope that we can solve exactly what size you are in Bohemian sizing.